Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Dorian Wilger and I'm a product specialist at Okuma. I'm standing here on the AMB2024 in Stuttgart, next to our Okuma MULTUS U3000 machine. This is our smallest machine of the MULTUS U range, which is a full multitasking lathe machine. This machine is equipped with two spindles, one main spindle and one sub-spindle which also has a tailstock function. We have a lower turret for the turning operations and a compact H1 milling turret which can do milling and turning operations. For the tools we have a 120 ATC chain magazine, and for less maintenance the MULTUS is equipped with the Okuma sludgeless tank. If you want to learn more about this machine, come and visit us on our booth in hall number 10, booth D71. If you cannot join, contact us on info@okuma.eu. See you soon!